With wena Pay, you can make payments at the tap of your watch. It's safe. To get the payment feature set up, you enter your 4-digit PIN. Every time the watch is removed and reworn, the PIN must be re-entered. Furthermore, if you don't take your watch off for 24 hours, you must re-add your PIN. This is to ensure maximum security. Your card can be added by scanning the card itself or by manually filling in your details, Boon cards or KBC if you're in Ireland. But you can connect your own card to the Boon app and top up. Make transactions by tapping Power button until card payment appears. You then have 60 seconds to make the payment. In the notification settings, you can choose the order in which payment appears. Put at the top, and with one push, you're ready to go.